step into the Jeep 2015 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include GPS navigation system, connectivity group, max tow package, quick order package 24R, 40GB hard drive W/28GB available, 8 speakers, Alpine 9 speaker with all-weather subwoofer and AM/FM radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.